Why did the United States step in to stop the India-Pakistan conflict? To understand this, we need to rewind back to Pahalgam. Pahalgam, India, a peaceful tourist town, shattered when terrorists ruthlessly killed 28 innocent civilians. This was the spark. India responded with Operation Sindoor, targeting terrorist networks across the border. But in retaliation, Pakistan, instead of targeting military sites, shockingly began aiming at Indian civilian areas. Thankfully, India's cutting-edge defense system, the S-400, Akash and more, intercepted every missile that crossed the border. But from May 7th, the game changed. India launched precise strikes on terrorist infrastructure in Pakistan, carefully avoiding civilian areas. Rawalpindi military base was hit after Pakistani drones brought from Turkey attempted to strike none other than the Golden Temple in Amritsar. Videos from Pakistani citizens flooded social media, exposing their government's propaganda. The pressure became unbearable, and Pakistan did what no one expected. They ran to the United States, pleading for intervention. The US got involved. But why? Because Pakistan had already played all its cards. Remember, Pakistan isn't just another country, it's another nation where radical elements flourish, where terrorists are often celebrated as heroes. Even Osama bin Laden was found hiding in Pakistan, just kilometers away from a military base. Pakistani generals and officials have been seen attending funerals of UN designated terrorists, and yet the world looks away. The truth is, it's not India that the West fears. It's Pakistan and its unpredictable nuclear arsenal. As Pakistani diplomats scrambled through the night, the US leaders like Donald Trump stepped in, demanding both nations de-escalate. A ceasefire was brokered, but this time India pushed back hard in negotiations. India secured a critical deal that any future terrorist infiltration from Pakistan would be treated as an act of war crime. And for the first time, India left the Indus Water Treaty on the table, opening doors to build dams and hydroelectric projects without Pakistani interference. Let's not forget, India showcased its advanced, expensive, and highly effective weapons while Pakistan relied on cheap, mostly donated Chinese arms. This was never a balanced fight, but it was the nuclear threat that made the world hold its breath. India does not fear Pakistan, but the West, unfamiliar with Pakistan's dangerous dance with terror, feared chaos. This is why the US intervened, not because of balance, but because of the fear of the unknown. Like, share, and subscribe for more deep dives into the global conflicts. Comment below, do you think the ceasefire will last?